Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm Ali, a senior software developer based in Frankfurt. Today, we're diving into one of the most frequently asked questions in the world of programming. What is the difference between a software developer and a software engineer? If you've ever wondered about the distinctions between these two roles, stick around because we are going to break it down and learn it together. Los geht's! What is a software developer? Software developers design, develop, and customize computer software applications for many industries. They identify customer needs, develop software to meet those needs, test and modify the software as necessary. Software developers typically need a bachelor's in software engineering, applied computer science, data science, software development, or a related discipline. Some common tasks that software developers may perform: plan, design, develop, customize, test, and maintain computer software and applications, or systems that address specific user needs. What is software engineer? Software engineers are often considered a type of software developer. They are involved in all stages of the software development lifecycle, using programming languages, architecture, and structural design to develop systems and softwares. The requirements of a software engineer: bachelor's in computer science, information technology, or related discipline is often preferred for software engineer roles. So let's see what our software engineers do in the daily tasks. Code a part of a software application, run a test to ensure the software works as expected, review code from another engineer, work on optimizing the software speed and performance, listen to the clients or companies to understand what new features they want, stay up to date on software technology and upgrades. Similarities between software developers and software engineers. Software developers and engineers are essential in creating the software used in various industries. In fact, at many workplaces, these titles are used beside each other.